Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubh and you're watching my channel Shubha Info. In this video, we're going to learn how to beat exam stress. So let's begin. With the first one. The first one is get some sleep. In this, you have to take a sleep for 2 to 3 hours. Okay? I'm not talking about the night sleep, I'm talking about the afternoon or the evening sleep. So you can take 2 or 1 hour sleep. Okay, yeah, one thing, before taking the sleep, do not start a new chapter, because if you start a new chapter then you will not be able to fall asleep. So try not to read a new chapter. Okay, and if you wanted to do that work on that time, or if you're not getting time or at that time, means at that single day, then try doing that chapter in the morning before going to the exam section. Okay, but if you can revise before, then you can learn that, but try doing it after your sleep. Now the next one here is, don't avoid topics you dislike. In this, what you have to do, this means that you should not skip those topics that are a bit difficult or they are conceptual based, because if you just avoid them, then it can be possible that you're not getting good grades if that questions only come or that topic only come. The third thing here is, fuel yourself effectively. Means you should take healthy food during your exams days. Okay, you should take healthy food during your exam days. So what you can take during that time, you can just take some food like healthy foods like apples, bananas, and you can take drink milk. Okay, so anything you can take that is healthy for you and you like. Don't take junk foods during that time, because they will stress up your mind and you will not be able to learn the things effectively. Now the next, let's see what is next. The next one is flex your mind and body. In this, you can do any form of exercise like yoga or going to gym, but try doing the meditation and yoga only, because it is scientifically proven that when you are doing meditation or you doing any of the exercises, then your mind and your body is completely fresh, and when after the exercise you will study or you will revise something, then you will get that thing very easily. So now the next thing is, avoid negative vibes. What I mean by avoid negative vibes, it means that you need to skip those people or those friends of your own who are creating doubts in your mind, or who are saying that you cannot do this thing, you cannot achieve the grade because it is really very difficult, the paper will come very difficult. So try not to listen them. Negative vibes also mean that you should not see your TV or something comedy. Try just reading books, or if you want to do something good, means if you want to try something proper and you want to feel fresh, then you can do exercises which I said. And if you're bored with exercises, then you can just go outside and take a walk, or you can just go out and just play for 5 to 10 minutes, because it will make you feel happy. Now next is schedule in a treat. What I mean by this, it means that you have to focus on a single thing, and on your exam day, book all the things before your exams. Book all the forms. If you're studying in a college, then book all the forms so that you don't have any problem on the exam day, and try that you learn all the things before your exams. The next and the last thing is a bonus tip. Embrace the stress. I'm just reading it now. In this, it is written, if you weren't nervous during exam time, you wouldn't be a human. It's not about not being stressed, it's about you, how you channel your energies to achieve the results you deserve. Exams only counts for a tiny fraction of your life, so don't forget about the rest of it. So this was a bonus tip which I wanted to give you all. Thank you all and have a nice day.